What in the... This ain't from any ranger station.
Bro, Google Veo 3 is insane, but how the heck do we actually use it for free?
Today, I'm showing you a trick that actually gets you inside Google Veo 3 for free. Alright, agent, here's how we infiltrate Google HQ, sort of. First, go to this innocent-looking URL. Click Explore, like you're casually browsing. Nothing suspicious here. You're not hacking the Pentagon. You're just going to click a button. And in the search bar, type Generative AI Now. Choose the second option, not the first. Click Start Lab. Once you start the lab, you'll see a button that says Open Google Cloud Console. Now here's the twist. Right-click, then open it in incognito mode. Yes, like you're sneaking into a secret lair. In that incognito window, accept all the permissions. Don't worry, Google already knows what you ate for lunch. Now here's the key part most people miss. While you're still in that incognito tab, open a new tab and search Google Vids. Click on the first result. This is where the magic happens. Sign in using your student email ID, and boom, choose Veo 3. You're officially in. Now that you're inside, test it. Use a short script or prompt, like, a Bigfoot speaking smells like ozone, and burn wires. This is kidding creepy.
Smells like burnt wires and ozone. This is getting creepy.
Yes, that works, and it looks insane. Want to take it further? Use tools like CapCut or Premiere to stitch multiple clips together. Add your voiceover, text overlays, and boom, mini Netflix short film.
I think I see something up ahead.
If this helped you out, drop a like. Not for me, for the AI films you're about to create.